Hi to everyone. In this video, let us see which one here highlights of 5th A group elements. So see here, 5th A group elements majorly form two type of halides. First one is trihalides, second one is pentahalides. Two types of halides formed by which one 5th A group elements. Now examples of trihalides are which one here? NF3, NCl3, PCl3, PBr3, etc. These are some examples of which one trihalides of 5th A group elements. So let us see some important facts regarding trihalides of 5th A group elements. So first let us see the preparation. When any 5th A group element treated with limited amount of or less amount of halogen, they produces which one? Trihalides. And another one here, some important points regarding some important properties regarding trihalides of 5th A group elements. Let us see here. First of all, come to the hydrolysis. In case of hydrolysis, some important facts we have to remember. First one is NF3 does not undergo hydrolysis. NF3 does not undergo hydrolysis. Why it does not undergo hydrolysis means in this NF3 both nitrogen and fluorine not having which one? Vacant d orbitals. So due to the absence of vacant d orbitals in both nitrogen and fluorine, this NF3 can't accept lone pair of electrons donated by the water. So NF3 doesn't undergo hydrolysis. That is one important thing we have to remember. Next, NCl3 undergoes hydrolysis, and what is the speciality of this one? The products are NH3 and HOCl, whereas NH3 is a base, whereas HOCl is an acid. That means the compound, generally any compound on hydrolysis may give one acid or two acids, one base or two bases, but the compound which will give one acid and one base on hydrolysis is, that is nothing but which one? NCl3. So this is the speciality of hydrolysis of NCl3. Here NH3 is Lewis base, HOCl is normally acid. Okay, now PCl3 on hydrolysis. Already in our previous video we discussed this. What is that? Any component in less oxidation state will give us acids on hydrolysis. So here PCl3, in that phosphorus is present in lower oxidation state. So what are the products here? Phosphorus acid and HCl. These are the products of hydrolysis of PCl3. And another special thing here, SbCl3 and BiCl3 hydrolysis. These two trihalides on hydrolysis produces which one here? SbOCl plus HCl, BiOCl and HCl. So these are the some important things we have to remember regarding hydrolysis of trihalides. Okay, then let us see the structure of trihalides of 5th A group elements. So what is the hybridization of central atom? Central atom undergoes sp3 hybridization, and it is having which one? Means one lone pair of electrons. So 5th A group trihalides are having one lone pair of electrons and sp3 hybridization. So what is this structure means? Pyramidal structure. That means trihalides are having pyramidal geometry. Okay, then due to the presence of lone pair of electrons, these trihalides act as which one? Lewis bases. But in that, some important things we have to remember. What is that here? NCl3 act as Lewis base because of presence of lone pair of electrons, but NF3 not a Lewis base. So what is the reason here? If you observe this counter atom, that is fluorine, we know that fluorine is having highest electronegativity. So due to highest electronegativity of fluorine, this nitrogen unable to donate lone pair of electrons. So NF3 not act as Lewis base. And come to PCl3, this acts as both Lewis acid and Lewis base. This can act as both Lewis acid and Lewis base. Why? Because PCl3, as in case of NCl3, one lone pair of electron is present. So by donating lone pair, it can act as Lewis base. And we know that central atom phosphorus is having vacant d orbitals. So by accepting lone pair of electrons, it even act as which one? Lewis acid. So this is regarding which one here? Trihalides of 5th A group elements. Okay, then let us go for which one here? Pentahalides of 5th A group elements. So what are the important things in that? First, come to the preparation. Preparation means what here? 5th A group element when treated with excess amount of halogen produces which one? Pentahalides. Excess amount of halogen plus 5th A group element will give which one? Pentahalide. In this, some important points let us see here. What are those? First, nitrogen doesn't form which one? Pentahalides, because its maximum covalency is 4. Maximum covalency of nitrogen is 4. Due to the absence of vacant d orbitals, nitrogen doesn't form pentahalides. That one thing we have to remember. And another one, and we know that +3 stability, +3 oxidation stability increases from top to bottom, +5 stability decreases from top to bottom. So for that reason, BiCl3 is more stable than BiCl5. This is stability order. What is stability order means? BiCl3 more stable than BiCl5, because due to inert pair effect, for bismuth +3 is more stable oxidation state comparatively with +5. So that means here BiCl5 always try to reduce to which one here? Bi+3. So BiCl5 readily reduces to which one? BiCl3. That means it can act as, so now Bi+5 converts into Bi+3. Decrease in oxidation number is known as which one? Reduction. So BiCl5 undergoing reduction to BiCl3 means BiCl5 acts as oxidizing agent. BiCl5 acts as oxidizing agent. And if you come to arsenic, AlCl3 is less stable than AsCl5. So this is stability order. That means AsCl3 readily oxidizes to AsCl5. That means AsCl3 acts as which one? Strong reducing agent. So these questions we can get regarding these oxidizing and reducing characters. Okay, then after this let us see which one here, that hybridization and structure of pentahalides. So hybridization of central atom is sp3 dehybridization, and what is the structure means trigonal bipyramidal structure. Pentahalides are having trigonal bipyramidal structure. Let us consider PCl5 as an example here. So three chlorine atoms present at the corners of a triangle, and one chlorine above to the plane, one chlorine below to the plane. And in this one important question here, this axial bond length, that means the axial bond length in PCl5 greater than that of equatorial bond length. So axial PCl bond length is greater than equatorial P-Cl bond length in case of which one, PCl5. And but in case of SF6, all equatorial and axial bond lengths are equal. So for this reason SF6 is more stable than PCl5. So this is regarding which one, structure and hybridization of pentahalides of 50A group elements. Okay, then come to the hydrolysis. Let us see hydrolysis here. So now PCl5 will undergo two-step hydrolysis. In first step we get POCl3. In final step we can get H3PO4. So what is the final product of hydrolysis of PCl5 means orthophosphoric acid. But what is the intermediate product means, we have to give this which one, phosphonyl chloride, POCl3. So this is regarding which one means hydrolysis of which one, pentahalides. So these are the important things we have to remember regarding which one here, trihalides and pentahalides of 50A group elements. Okay, in our next video let us discuss that oxyacids of phosphorus. Okay, bye.